Start this exercise by lowering the bar all the way to the bottom. It does not need to be latched for this exercise. It can just sit at the very bottom. We're going to do palms up, and your hands are going to be outside your knees, and you're going to be standing close enough that your shins are almost touching. I like to start by standing all the way up, rolling my shoulders back. That's going to make sure that I'm not rounded in my shoulders and that I can get a good squeeze between my shoulder blades. A cue on this is you want to always stick your chest out. You don't want to round your upper body when you're doing this. Now you'll notice in this exercise, I'm rocking into the exercise. The bar only goes up and down, and in order for me to pull the bar into my hips, I have to move forward as I do it. This is going to really allow you to squeeze your shoulder blades together and work your mid to lower back versus your neck. If you just were to pull it up without rocking, you're going to use a lot more of your trap and neck muscles, and that can cause a really sore neck. So you want to make sure that you kind of rock forward as you pull it into your hips. If you're using VersaGrips on this exercise, oftentimes when you're putting on your VersaGrips, it will roll the bar and it makes it latch. And then of course you can't row the bar when it's latched. And so what I do is I put it on and tighten them how I like. But as I'm tightening my VersaGrips, I'm leaning really far forward, because then when I get into position, the bar will stay unracked without rolling to latch.